this is an orbital strike cannon, and it is very powerful. So I'm gonna teach you how to build it. In fact, it actually breaks, and credits to Albert Monkey for the nuclear design. When will it pop up? Hello. Sometimes it's glitchy like that, so you gotta be like careful when using this. Alright, there it is. Yeah, this might seem familiar. Yeah, I borrowed the design. It's actually quite easy to do. Here's how much command blocks it takes. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also 10. 10, we're gonna do 10 because we want the armor stand to be invisible. So I'm just gonna add a command block right here, and alright. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I'm just going to go on another room. Okay, here it is. I'm just gonna create it. Alright, here I am. So before anything else, let's just do /give master command block 1. Okay. Yes, I'm a very fast typer. Just don't question me. Alright, if you want alright, let's just do it. And you want to give yourself a structure block. Or maybe not. It depends on how you want to create it, but I'm going to create it some way. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 4 here, there, and then none on these. That's the command block layout. And before anything else, I'm just going to go and do this. Play up and go down. Do this. Or maybe not. Just... oh my gosh. 37. Structure block. Alright, if you're gonna... when you fly up, there is gonna be a random structure block. So you want to go in here, you want to name it whatever you want. In my case, it's gonna be like OC Nuke. Oh, you can name it anything you want, like Nuke, like this, Knock, Bomb. It just doesn't matters. In my case, I'll just do that, and just don't do anything to that, but do this. Yeah, so you do 284, and then you set the offset to 1, and then go 5, 1. Alright, so now that you have gotten all of it, we just need one command block. Okay, here's the command. Let's see. Actually, if you want it to be no lag, you just want to use these. It will spawn to every equal. So it will spawn 30 per 1. The frick. are you coming to the tree? By the way, this is a rainbow skin that I created myself. You can just not do that and then just grab it from the creative inventory. I don't know why I did that, but it's just way more faster when I do that. Alright. This is important to do. Alright, in 3, in 2, in 1. Go to the structure block immediately. Then, okay. Just save. Save it no matter what. Just save. And then just see the explosion happen. Oh my goodness, that's so majestic. I love that. I actually love that. No joke. And also, if you want to clean it up, just do this. Alright, no more lag. You just wanna break that, and then you want to do alright. So you want to test it again. Check if it loaded successfully. Okay, it loaded successfully. Let's go. Alright, now it will look like that. Warning, if the orbital strike cannon is very laggy, if you rejoin it might not save. So you have to worry about that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to the first command block, and let me actually think about it. Okay, so here's the command right here. Yeah, this is the command. You right here. I'll let you screenshot it. Okay. Okay, here it is. Chain conditional always active. And also this is repeating always active. Okay, so here's the command, but there's one twist. You have to replace it with whatever name whatever you name the structure. So bomb, knock, OC, trash, or de, or wembunuk. It's whatever. In my case, I named it OC that. Alright. Are you? Okay, so here it is. Chain conditional always active. Kill at E name equal P type equal understand. So here is the breakthrough. If you forgot some, because some of y'all actually have some short attention span, so I'm just going to do this. By the way, this has an aim system that is very good. Sometimes it just glitches out and never works, so that's the problem. Alright, here is the official command block layout. It's right there. I don't know why I'm showing you that, but whatever. So here's the command. Actually, wait. Yeah, that is the command. I will make you. Okay, have you screenshotted it? Okay, if you have, okay. Okay, so here is the command, and also I have to change something about this. Here, it's actually fishing hook. I'm so sorry, but if you're this far into my video, consider subscribing. It really helps me and motivates me to create more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video so far and this helped you out, consider subscribing. It really helps me a lot. And leave a like if you don't want to subscribe. Holy, I just rhymed. But I'm not in my prime, so consider subscribing. It's free. It takes a second. And let's go on to the video again. Okay, so here's the command. Also, this is conditional always active. Chain. Okay, when you're done with that. Okay guys, so I changed things a little bit. So here's all of the commands. All of them will not be in the description. There you go. Now let's I rejoined because I checked the structure. I rejoined because of some things. Um okay, it still works, I guess. Even if it lags, it might still work if you have some luck. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. Fingers crossed this work. Also, I'm just gonna fix my lag real quick. Let's go, it works. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a very cool thing. Credits to who was that? Albert Monkey for the OS orbital strike cannon design. If you want a stab shot tutorial, just I'm gonna release it in like it's very easy, just like this one. I might release it tomorrow. I actually haven't constructed anything, but I'll just try. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and you feel free to pause whatever. I'm just gonna end this thing. It has been so long.